No, of our knees. You get Lexi. Are you filming? Yes. I got pretzel sticks with a crap load of cheese that I'm not gonna eat, but it kind of just came with that. Pretty fire.
Got a burger with French fries.
This actually works. Chicken tenders and fries. Chicken tenders and fries. Honey mustard. He gave me pickle. Hello, Anna and Zena.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I mean, you kind of just do like a. Don't worry. I still passed the benchmark. Okay, I still got a 13:30.
Guys, if I were to
Hi Mia, how do you feel?
I feel amazing and like there's sand in my mouth.
Yeah. Hi Isabel, how do you feel?
Around the same. I think there's sand everywhere on my body and in my body.
Yeah.
I've eaten at least a cup of sand. Yeah.
Okay, Lexi, how do you feel?
I'm here, and that's what matters.
Amen. Amen. Here's the view. Look at the view.
Yeah, I just want that. Like, sometimes I don't want to. That was literally. These are my cards,
Oh, I'm just, yeah.
which my brother got
Vlogging.
so.
But look at that. Look at this beautiful view.
Hey guys. But I got two.
You will get hit with the ball.
Guys, today we're touring my hotel room. There's a dolphin at the entrance. Then there's a stand. Then this is the kitchen. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. And then fridge. Then we have our table full of our stuff. Then we have this beautiful living room. And then we have a balcony. It's cute. And then towels, couch, bathroom. Say hi, guys.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, why is it so hard? I need to wash their feet too. Oh, we can shower together. Oh, it's so cold.
Here's our mirror. Is anyone in the bathroom here?
I hope not. They gave us towels.
Peekaboo. Yeah.
Here, I gotta wash my feet.
Peekaboo. Here we
We
go.
just leave our shoes here.
You're gonna go barefoot on this hotel room? Oh my gosh, guys. And then, oh wait, I have to do the master bed. This is. Oh, cool. Real nice. And then we have twin bed, twin queen, and then a bathroom in there. Yay! Cool. Cool, cool, cool.
What are you eating? I don't know why the flash is on. No clue how to fool, but I ate 2 things of chicken, guys. What did you eat? Chicken and pizza. Really? Devoured.
This is our mukbang for watching BTS. Look at my feet, look down.
What is this?
She's brushing her teeth.
Oh, okay. When you're done, say up to mine. We're gonna be quiet now. Alright, I won't laugh.
Mom, I wonder where they are. I don't know where you're trying to. No, I don't know where they are.
Did you find them? What the heck? Vincent, come play ball with us.
Yeah,
it's more fun than coming. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, I'll be the blue one.
Okay, I'll be Roxy.
Okay.
Okay, so it says tear off the topping cup, and I in fact can't do that.
I can try to help.
Wait.
Bro.
Thunder. Ow! Look, I'm like peeling off the
Here. Oh my goodness. Here, do you want me to try?
Yes, please, thank you.
Okay,
Here, I'll
yeah.
try to get this.
What the freak?
Oh,
This is not. It was made from a very unfriendly plant, I think.
I know.
Yeah, it's not.
What the
You can
heck?
cut it off. Why don't you just poke a knife through it?
I
Yeah.
was trying to do that.
Here, wait. I'll hold the side so you can like get it more
Okay,
pressure.
thank you. I'm scared someone burst.
Wait, do it with the stiffer end, not the.
Wait.
Just gonna.
I'm so
Wait, try the
scared.
other end. Okay, I mean, do you want me to- oh, there we go.
Yay!
I think this is more difficult than it needs to be. Oh,
Right?
it's like. This is a whole experience.
I
I
know.
don't think we're doing it right.
You know, somebody tells me we're not.
Oh,
But you
she's
know,
all melted. What the heck? What is this? Oh, that's part of the container.
Yummy?
It's good, yeah. You can kind of taste the plant-based container. Calling all spoons.
yeah, we were calling the spoon, okay? It helps though.
Yes.
Sambazon.
This is so melted. I should have put it in the freezer.
It's like juice. First bite. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Rate it.
8, because you can taste the plant-based container.
What does it taste like?
It just tastes like cardboard.
Anna. My flash is on. Sorry.
Scary.
How do you think the Sweet 16 is going?
Fire.
It's fire.
Yeah.
She's eating this.
Melted.
This is our thoughts and our what rhymes with food related terms for thoughts. Oh.
Yeah, that's how I felt.
Okay. What about you?
10 out of 10 party. 10 out of 10 fudge brownie popsicle.
Yes.
I thought it was gonna be more aesthetic, but okay, this is the aesthetic.
It's
And-
like chill. We're watching that one new girl, and we've got yummy food. Like honestly,
Oh.
Dude, someone drew in here.
what did they say? Like,
It's
what did it
just
say?
circles.
Hello?
What if they blame us?
I think they tried to draw an eyeball. It just looks really bad.
Oh, this is fun. My legs are too long.
Oh.
Bro.
You're like fully in. Are there any drawings in there?
Are you having fun?
I am. I don't see any. Maybe the hooligans only like that one.
Yeah, no, it was like a really bad eye. I think what was
This is for
happening.
the distinguished people, okay?
Oh.
That one. That one.
Why is it hollow? Oh, so you can put your suitcase.
Yes.
Oh.
I like my suitcase.
I like my suitcase.
Okay,
My legs are bent at like a 90-degree angle.
Get up there.
I know. Like,
Okay.
I'm probably gonna get a video.
What songs do you know?
Let's just find what songs I don't know. Actually, just pick a song, and if I don't know it,
I know one.
Okay.
there's an Irish pub right across the street. I
Oh.
feel hate crime taking a
No,
photo.
it's your calling. Guess the song.
Alexander Hamilton. Okay.
Sinking.
Sinking.
I'm here starting now.
You got this.
Greetings, loved one.
Oh!
Oh wait. It's the key. Don't listen to that. Listen to me.
Are you ready?
Oh, you're not ready.
We'll do a song. This is it?
No.
This is like.
no. It's the intro.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I hopefully you know this.
You got this. You got this.
God is
Okay.
oh,
Oh.